First reptile while hiking. There's a lot of woodpeckers out in the upper Tampa Bay. Found this little gopher tortoise. He was trucking. Let's see what he's up to now. I was in a life or death survival situation. That's dinner right there. Probably wouldn't be sustainable. It's okay, buddy. Oh, he's chomping. Oh, now he's afraid. I'm gonna hurt you, buddy. Nice looking turtle. Look, you see him. Good size, not too small, not too big. It's okay. Lots of movement in the bushes. Probably mostly lizards. Some small birds, for sure. It's always nice. Good looking turtle. He's feeding on the grass. I wonder how they extract nutrition out of that crap. But definitely been in the sand. I can see it on the upper rim of his shell right next to his head. Oh, now he's trucking again. Alright, see you, buddy. Yep, still chomping on the grass. Cool, cool. Don't even know if I'd rather see a corn snake or a gopher tortoise, but of course the other major herp was that big corn snake I saw at Blackwater. You know, it's like, yeah, sure, you expect it when you're hiking long trails, but then when you're actually, just like the whole world seems to stop and revolve around you seeing sturgeon, you seeing turtles, you seeing big snakes. Man, he's really trucking. I've never seen a gopher tortoise move that fast. Actually have some powerful muscles. They can really move when they want to. He's hungry. Good stuff.